Hi, today I will tell you 3 reasons why you should not buy the Sony ZV-1 camera. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Oliver, I'm running 4 KFCs in Switzerland and I'm a firefighter. Reason number 1 is the battery life. You basically get around for 1 hour. If you put an external power bank on the camera, it's maybe 1.5 or 2 hours. Yeah, that's basically all. I think that's not enough, especially if you want to try something while you're shooting and then you have to disassemble the camera from the tripod. It's really a bummer. Reason number 2 not to buy the camera is the lens. The lens is nice for general shooting, but if you want to have a blurry background, you will not be able to get that in a proper way. And reason number 3 are the settings of the camera. There's no full manual mode. So if you want to choose the settings to your likings and you want to use some sort of settings in your creative process, you're not fully able to do so. If you find this video helpful, you probably also like my Rode Video Mic Me L video, which I will link right now. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.